Steh bei far in Notfall flink.
Stand by for an emergency alert.
A weather alert is gewein dort die meteorologische Service vor ein ganzen Land. Starke und deutlich Schütterem, in liegt zu in atlantischen tropischer Zyklon, ist jerktet zu durchgreikendem Breglin bis Mann. Det angesammelt durch Hurakan Gaeg Drones Wesen die Schütterem-System hat sustained Windern von 315 km p.h. Reg von 6 cm p.h. ist der Wert. Tropical Cyclone Normsen der Wart for the Drum District, the Central District, the Ayashlim District and the Ahad on Shamran District. Der Wartan Temperatures von 100 degrees oder höher. Garkol Temperaturen und Zabarak Bading Gungen werden effektieren dies von District. Schutteram Sarges vet verschaffen Flading. Die Regierung hat Reusgebene in Evakuation von die Kesselin. Die weiter arin, darf in sie nimi in Behältnis. Tornados sind miglak imati dem streng Schutterem. Dos is in Präsidentit Schutterem es oiboldig Kampf is verlangt zu ensure Sicherheit. Bleiben ruhig. Men hat Shelters zu Häusern evakuieren civil. Shelterlistings sind nimsa. Bleiben tan far mehr Information.
A weather alert has been issued by the Israeli Meteorological Service for the entire country. A powerful and deadly storm, similar to an Atlantic tropical cyclone, is projected to reach the coastline by tomorrow. Data collected by hurricane hunting drones show that this storm system has sustained winds of 315 km per hour. Rainfall of 6 cm per hour is expected. Tropical cyclone conditions are expected for the Southern District, the Central District, the Jerusalem District and the Judea and the Samaria District. Expect temperatures of 100 degrees or higher. Extremely cold temperatures and the blizzard conditions will affect the Northern District. Storm surges will cause flooding. An evacuation of the coastline has been issued by the government. Those further inland should take shelter. Tornadoes are possible with this severe storm. This is an unprecedented storm, so immediate action is required to ensure your safety. Remain calm. Shelters are being set up to house evacuating civilians. Shelter listings are available. Stay tuned for further information.